Hey everyone, I have a really short and sweet vlog for you today. This is just my normal day of being an Etsy shop owner. I start off with making my bed. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, they say if you make your bed is the first thing you accomplish for the day. Then I was off to drop off all my orders from the day before. I actually had a lot of orders today because I was at my boyfriend's house for a couple days this week, so I was pretty behind, but I got them all done. I know I look super basic today. And I went to go get some Dunkin', and of course it was my free one. I FaceTimed my friend Alexis, and I FaceTimed Matthew, and then it started to snow, and I got really stressed because I had orders that needed to go out, but I eventually just had to put them aside and mail them tomorrow morning, which is totally fine. Here's me working on orders for today. Got them all done. However, the snow was too bad to go outside, so do that tomorrow. Drinking more Dunkin', and now I get to play with Charlie. He's such a little angel. He's getting so big too. He's 5 months old and he's getting too big. This was his first snow and he fell. He loves the snow. It's so cute. Then I decided to put some string lights behind my vines here, but it ended up not being great, but it's something. Then this is the really exciting part of my day. I printed out some new packs that I'm going to put up on my Etsy shop and cut them out. So this is my New York pack, and I really like the way it turned out. It's different from the regular packs that I have because everything is square, but I think I like that aesthetic. That's like kind of in right now. Here are some of my favorites from the pack. Then I did a dog pack, and I also did these customized Polaroid stickers that I'm going to put on my shop that I'm really excited about. Then it was time to make my family some dinner. I've been getting HelloFresh, and no, this is not sponsored. I wish it was sponsored because I do use it every week, and my family is not, are not cooks. So, ooh, look at this transition. I tried really hard. And that's the end product. It ended up being really yummy, and I love pasta. It's my favorite thing ever. And then we let Charlie go out and play in the snow again. There he is, running around. Then I went to go take some pictures for my Etsy shop of the new stickers. I got this little light box from my boyfriend, and I just lay out everything that how I want and take a picture, obviously. And that's the whole vlog. I told you guys it was short and sweet. I had a pretty crazy week, so couldn't film like a real video, but I hope you like this vlog. I love doing these, so thanks for watching. Bye.